Hey, what's up? There are a few times in a band's career where they get to play special shows. Tonight is one of those nights. Collingwood Curling Club. Once in a lifetime opportunity. Who knows what mayhem will ensue. Let's go take a look inside. As you can see, it was built in the year 909, before Jesus was even born. Many legendary curling matches have taken place here, including 1993, Dan Warlock versus Eddie, the Purple Wrench, Dingleberry. 1997, what was his name?
Bruce Willingham.
Yeah, Bruce Willingham.
Jeff's great uncle.
The monster, Mark Vanderlei. Come on in. You're expecting more than 30 people. This is all for us, Nels. All for us. There's Jeff, guitar player. Flawless Dave Jackson, never missed a note on the keyboards ever.
Showtime.
Surfboard there just in case. Ready to rock.
Ready to reggae.
We're playing after the Bikini Girls.
It's like between a rock and a reggae.
Yeah, you're good at this.
Ready to reggae rock. Welcome to the cafeteria. Hey Rod, you seen Neil?
No.
Wonder what he's up to.